Hey guys, I'm Rho Trades and you're watching Rho Trades live YouTube channel, and this video we're going to be analyzing the market, not big analysis but how you can approach the market to make trades in this particular week is what we're going to see. So this is the Banknifty chart in 1 hour time frame. So let me switch to the 5 minutes time frame and see how the market looks in the short term period. So yeah, this is the 5 minutes time frame, and in the short term the market seems to be like in a sideways but upwards pattern, and then from last week we have this descending market, and the market is way below the 200 MA right now, and it's having a pullback, coming down, pullback and coming down. So the market is actually gradually going down. It's in a descending pattern, and it's in a bearish trend, no doubt about it. So if you're playing in intraday, you can always go for selling call options and wait for the end of the day, or wait for the supports to get hit. So this can be a good support, and this can be the next support. So if each support get hits, you can go for the profit booking and then exit the day for intraday purpose. So if you're a positional trader who looking for a single trade per week or 1 or 2 trades per week, go to the 1 hour time frame and let's see how it goes. So usually we analyze the market based on CPR and moving averages and the first 1 hour candle. So if you see, compared to the last week CPR, this week CPR is not too wide, but it's still wider. So this wide CPR indicates the market can be in a sideways pattern. So considering the bearish pressure in the market, if there is a sideways pattern also, it will be having a very gradual descending pattern of sideways, is what I can see. But if you see the first candle, there is a green doji right on the spot of CPR, so which means the market can be possibly in the sideways pattern, so it may not follow a trend. So unlike last week, the low is like 39,000, the high is like 40,200. So market has been riding like 1,200 points in one side, so because of the narrow CPR. So this wide CPR may take the market have a relaxation, it may enjoy the sideways market because of the financial year end. So maybe the best trading idea will be a iron condor, and if you're a very good risk taker, you can go for an iron fly, that means a straddle, or you can go for an iron condor, which is a strangle, which can easily give you a profit of almost the iron condor can actually give you the profit of almost 2% this week. Okay, so let's see what trades I took. So this is the trade that I took for this week. So the idea is I went 1,000 points away from the spot when I took the trade, so it's in a good profit right now already. So if you see, the spot is exactly 39,500. So if you're going to take a trade, you can go down 1,000 points, which is 38,500, and sell the put option, and go up 1,000 points and go for 40,500 and sell the call option, and buy 500 points away hedges for each leg. This is the best trade that I can do. So this trade can easily give you a profit of 2%, very easy 2% profit. So you don't need to do anything for the rest of the week. These 2 legs will very easily go to zero, is what we can see. So my idea usually is, we have this hedge for 500 rupees, right? So even if it goes wrong, even something goes wrong, the maximum loss will be 60,000 rupees, I guess. So roughly 60,000 rupees to 70,000 rupees will be the maximum loss. So the perks of option selling is the probability. So if you are having a very good probability in your trade, you will win most of the time. So if you win 9 times and lose 1 times also, you'll still be in a profitable side. So this kind of strategy is working like very long years for me, and I'm just continuing to do it. So even in my course I used to detailedly explain about it to the students, and they easily get benefit about it, because they literally have to do nothing in the front of the market. They just need to come into the market Monday 10:15, see the first candle, make analysis, put in a trade, and run it for 1 or 2 days, and then you will just easily make 1%. So for every beginner, I suggest is making 1% every single week. At the end of the month, it's 4 to 5%. It will be 4 to 5%. So that's a very good profit for you when you're starting the market. So when you gradually improve in trading, you can just go for 2% a week, or like 6 to 8% per month, and that's the maximum you can expect from the market. and only if you expect that much you can regularly make an income from market. So if you're expecting a 10% per week or 20% per week or 30% per month and all, it's never going to be happening, I can say, unless you're so skillful and you know a very good traders and you know about very good fundamentals about the inside market and all. So it's something like impossible that we cannot talk about. So what is possible is to make like 1 to 2% every single week and then stay quiet. So if you think about the capital of 10 lakh rupees, you can just make 50,000 rupees almost doing nothing, spending like a 6 to 8 hours every single week will make you a 50,000 rupees profit out of 10 lakh capital. So just if you imagine how much work people do in the as employees in IT companies or laborers in any other segments, any other sectors, this is the very good idea for us to trade like this. So similarly, if you analyze the bank nifties or nifty also, nifty will be also the same for you. I mean the bank nifty is sometimes in proportional to each other, so you can analyze it in the same way. I don't know why it's not loading yet, but my focus is mostly on bank nifty because the VIX is good. And what's the VIX? The VIX is like 15%, and it's raised 2%. So if the VIX is above 15, I just go for discretionary trades and in bank nifty, because the point movement will be high and we can very easily go to make good profits, like if you go for 1:1 trades as well. So this is what I want to say. So the verdict of the video, the final summary of the video is, this video is going to be, this week is going to be a sideways week. The maximum it can go down is maximum maybe to the support level where it is 38,600, and above the maximum it can go to 40,200. So that's the maximum level it can go. So what legs we have sold, what strike price we have chosen is away from it. So it's outside of the safe zone of support and resistance. So this will easily give you 2%. So if you're watching this video, if you liked it, if you're going to trade about this, give me your ideas and what's your suggestions in the comments. And if you like this video, please place a like, subscribe, share it to your share market trading friends, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram as well, so where I give you the live market updates and the logics and reason behind the trades I make as a reels and shorts. So this is what I want to say. Have a very good trading. See you next time.